In this video, I will show you how you can clean up your C drive in 4 ways. And wait for the last one because that's the most powerful and efficient way. Now, if I go to my file manager, then here you will see that my local disk is almost full. Now I know that many people have told you to go to the start menu and then type run and then type your %temp or prefetch and then it shows all the temporary files. But if you delete these files, these are just temporary and this will be get generated soon. And if I show you the total file size of these temporary files, then you will see that these are just 135 MB. So if I delete them, it won't make that much difference. So now I will show you how you can properly clean your C drive. And we will save more than 28 GB. So the first way is to go to this PC and go to local disk C and then go to users and then select your username, like my user is HP, and then go to downloads. Now the files and folders that you will see here, you can delete them if you don't need them in the future. And if you need them, you can just move them to one of your other drives. For me, I don't need these files, so I will just delete them. Again, go to this PC, local disk, users, HP, and then go to the desktop folder. So this desktop folder is actually the desktop of your PC. So the files here are also stored in your C drive. So for these files also, you can delete them, or if you need them in the future, then you can just move them in other drives of a PC. For me, I will need these files in future, so I will just keep them here. And after deleting the files from downloads and desktop, then go to your recycle bin and delete them from there also. So I will just empty my recycle bin. Okay, now the second step. But the second step you need to do is go to start and type uninstall. And you will get this apps and features option. Click on this option. So it will show you all the apps that you have installed. So what you need to do is that the apps you don't need, you can just click on this three-dot icon and then just uninstall them. And this will save a lot of space from your C drive. Okay, now the third way. For the third way, you need to go to this PC and then right-click on your local disk C and click on Properties. And then click on this cleanup. Okay, from here, you need to click on Clean Up System Files. This will take a couple of seconds to just analyze the drive. And after that, it will show you all the files, all the junk files that you can delete. So the most basic ones are automatically selected. And to delete them, just click on OK. And after that, click on Delete Files. But I will need these files in the future, so I won't delete them. So I will just click these windows. Now let's move to the fourth way. And this is the most powerful and efficient. Now we will need a third-party software. Don't worry, the software is totally safe. So to get that software, just go to your browser and then type free size 3. Click on the first result. And then click on free download. And from here, you will see that it has both paid and free plans. And then click on free download. And then from here, select the .exe file and then click on download. And here click on continue with 3 sites free. And it will download a .exe file. After downloading the file, install it like any other software. I have already installed it, and now I will open the software. Free size free. So I will click here. And now here you need to select the directory that you want to analyze. So click on select directory, and then from here, click on local disk C. Here it is asking for admin privileges. So I will just give it the admin privileges. Always start as administrator. And now it will analyze our whole C drive. And after analyzing, it shows us how much space is each folder taking on our drive. So here you can see that my users folder under C is taking 55 GB and Windows is taking just 21.1 GB, which is normal. For Windows, 21 GB is normal. So we'll go to our users folder and see which subfolders are taking the spaces. I will expand it. And from here, you can see that the HP folder is taking 51.6 GB out of 55.6 GB. So I will expand it also. And here you can see that the app data folder is taking 51.6 GB. So I will expand it. And then the local folder is taking 47.6 GB. We'll expand it also. And from here, you can see that FX Home, this folder is taking 32.3 GB. So this, so FX Home is a video editing software that I installed, and I have also installed it. But it has still kept its files stored on my PC. So what I need to do is that I need to delete this FX Home folder. But before you download any file, make sure that you have installed the software. And another one is Google. So this one is Google Chrome actually. And this is taking 8.3 GB, which is a lot of space. So if you want to save more space, you can also uninstall Chrome and delete its files. But I want to keep it, so I won't uninstall it. I will just delete this FX Home folder and it will save me 32.3 GB. So for that purpose, I will go to this PC and then local disk C and then users, then HP, and then app data, then local. And here I need to select the FX Home folder. And you can see that it is taking 32.3 GB. So I will select it and I will delete it. And it says that do you want to permanently delete it? Yes, I obviously want to permanently delete it. Okay, so we have successfully deleted it, and let's go to this PC. And you can see that now 41.7 GB is free. So we had only 9 or 10 GB free space, and now we have 41 GB. So it has saved us almost 30 GB. So now again, we will go to our tree size free and let's refresh it. So now you can see that users folder is only taking 23.3 GB and Windows is taking 21.1 GB. And likewise, you can analyze all other folders and look for the folders and files that are taking most space on your machine. And you can delete them to free up the spaces. Hope this video has helped you a lot. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This is Fahim Sharir signing off.